Hello my wonderful lazy dancers, welcome to Lazy Dancer Tips. I'm Alessia. I know lots of us want to constantly have that nice tight flat belly, but also remember that exercising is not the only solution to your weight management, whether it's losing weight or gaining that muscle tone that we've been looking for. So that's why this month I have decided to give you little insights and a little help with smoothies. Why smoothies? Because that's the best way to intake the fibers, the vitamins, the goodies that we find in fruits and veggies. Today's smoothie is all about cherry basil blast. Oh, what a combination. So we are gonna have the basil, the cherries, the blueberries, peach, but also the goodies of the pine nuts and all the seeds. Because let's remember, good fats and proteins is exactly what we need to shred the fat and to tone our body, as well as giving the body the fuel that it needs to last for longer. But without any further ado, I know you want to sweat it, I know you want to shred those abs, I know you want to suffer with me. Let's keep on working, let's start and let's do it. Here we go, today we are on the floor. So we are going to start with something a little bit different. So we're gonna have our legs into one close to ourselves and the other one right in front of us. So imagine that you're drawing a line with your big toe down to your belly button. Okay, so we're gonna think about the cup of tea to the queen. So we're gonna offer the cup of tea to the queen on the heel. So from here, very good, we're already engaging the abs, and then we're gonna take the leg to the side and point it down here. For the first time, we're just gonna do this, and we're gonna go up and back down. Very good. You can even have opposite arms to do the movement, so it helps. Very good. Few more, up and down. Little different abs today, but here you've got to think about not sinking down the back, yeah, and not arching the foot, arching the back, because otherwise you can't lift your leg. Think about the lifting from your core rather than your quad. Ha ha, challenge of the day. Very good. Two more, and in and up and close and up and down and up and close. Very good. Only four. We're gonna go other side. Ready? And go. And up to the side. Very good. Point it there. Extend. Come back in. And out to the side. And up and in. Few more. Up to the side. Up and in. Last one. In. Up and close. Very good. We go back to the first side. We're gonna do four more, and up and in. This is the tricky part because here is where you engage. Ha! Come back in, and up and down and up and in. Very good. Few more, and down and up. So there is no cheating. Don't sink down here. Nicely extended. Nice and tall. Imagine you are in a kid's pool, yeah? So whenever you're sitting down, as far, it's because it's nice and low, you can sit with your head outside. The moment that you do, you go here, you go blue, blue, blue bubbles under the water, and we go up, head out of the water. Very good. And in, and up, outside the water, but we're turning. Last two. Very good. And in, out, and down, and out, and in. Very good. It might happen that at this point you're not feeling your abs so much, but don't worry, they'll get there. Yeah, so constantly concentrate on where the movement initiates. Yeah, if you feel your quads, it's normal. If you feel your hip flexor, it's normal. It is a very awkward position, but at the same time we are reinforcing our core. So from here, this time around, we're gonna go up and over, place it down. From here, plant the arm. We're gonna go up to the side, lift the leg, come down, down, back in. Haha. Up and over, down, down. Push the bum in front, don't cover your face. Lift the leg, come down, down. Very nice. 2 more. Bend down, controlled. Up and over, lift the leg, down, come back, in, up, down, place the arm, push it up, lift the leg, hold it there this time. Very good. Hold it there, come down. Good. Do you feel the bum engaged as well? Good. Other side. Shuffling back, because here I'm walking on the rug. Very good. Up and over. Place it down. From here, we go up. Lift the leg. Down. Press. And in. Very good. Up and down. Place it. Push. Lift the leg. Reach. Down. Down. Come back, very good. 2 more. Up and over. Up there. Place it down. Up and down. 1 more. And up. Lift the leg, hold it there. Look at me and smile. Look at me and smile. I'm here. Say hi, wave, do something, whatever. Think about butterflies. Coming down, down, breathe, and down. Very good. From here, we're gonna go directly to the side. Our little mermaid. So we are not gonna go on our wrist, because I know how hard sometimes it is to go on a side plank on the wrist. But remember, whenever you start doing side plank on a wrist, to use your fingers, so that the weight doesn't only go onto the palm of your hand, but it pushes forward. It's pretty much like balancing on your feet, yes? Whenever you are with the weight down the back on your heels, the heels hurt and everything gets pushed backward. Same thing, we need to push it slightly forward, so on your hands. So here you've got choice of coming up here or staying down here. For today I'm gonna stay down here so we can do it together. Plant your hand in front here, coming up to the side. From here we're gonna go knee to elbow in front and down, knee to elbow to the side and down. Yes, very good. Engage the core. In, out, point the foot. In, out, point the foot. And even here, keep pushing away from the shoulders. In, out, in, up, in, out, in, up, and come down. Good. The bum is working too. Awesome. Very good. Other side. Planting the foot, the hand, like your foot on the floor. We're gonna go up, up. Readjust if you need to be closer. Very good. Ready? From the core. Core, in, core. Yeah, don't only think of moving the leg from the leg. You move the leg from your core, and in, and out, and in, and out. 1 more. In, and up, close, and release. Very good, very nice. From here, I want to do something fun. Let's see if my microphone lets me do it or if I break everything. From here, yeah, we're gonna go little push, coming back here, lift and down. No hands, mama, look. Yeah, little push, down, lift and down, little fun, yeah, like little kids. So think already, little core, little pose, coming back, lift and down. Again, don't sink here. You want to be nice and open when you come back, yeah? That was just a dress rehearsal, now we do it. Very good, ready? And down, little pose, here, lift and down. And again, 1, down, lift and down. Few more, down, lift, down, again, down. Keep pointing the feet. I'm having fun with this. 1, yeah, pa, pa, pa. You can sing along. Few more until your abs are sore. Very good. Down, stay. I went on a little ride here. Very good. Hold, point your feet, say hi feet. How are you? Grab it, take it down. Very good. Just to finish off, get onto your belly. Oh, and breathe, yeah? Still your core nicely engaged. I want us to go on a little swim, yeah? Little swim. I'm gonna move and shuffle this thing on the other side. From here, we are going to extend one arm, lift the opposite, coming back in. Just enough, yeah? I want you to have your core still nicely engaged because we don't want to squidge the lower part of the vertebrae, yeah? Here, we want to lower our body. We want to strengthen the back and we want to make it stronger and stronger, yes? Also remember, if you want any more back exercise or extension exercise to improve your arabesque and your extension, I've got everything. I've got a full plan for you in the Lazy Dancer studio. It's completely online and we have fun. We have an accountability group and we cheer for each other. So whenever you need a little bit of push, you know where to find me. Also, we are there every month having lives. Yes, and chit-chatting. Very good. So that again was dress rehearsal, just for you, a moment of breather. And we're gonna go same leg. So out here, up here, down, come back. Extend here. Even if the other leg is doing nothing, it's not doing nothing. Yeah? It's nicely worked every second. Point those feet. Yeah, point, tap, down and in. Come on, work the glutes as well as your back. Out, lift, down and down, shoulders down and lift. Very good. From here, just for fun, both arms, legs, go. Thank goodness we only got 2 and 2. And again, lift up and up and up and up and down. Very good. Long neck, like you're making a banana shape. Banana shape, very good. Engage, hold, breathe, talk to me, whatever. And down. Very good. And lift. Last one, last one. You breathe. Down. Come down and take a moment of breather. Shake it all, shake it all, shake it all. Beautiful. Come back in. Take a moment of breather. Shoulders up and down. Shake it all. Big smile. Remember that if you want to have fun and have an accountability group, you know where to find me at the Lazy Dancer studio. It's completely online and I'm gonna link it down here below for you. So very, very well done. Again, I'm looking forward to see you very soon. Again, ciao my darlings.